So you wanna play a sound that isn't tied to the world space, that's played sound 2D. This plays sound directly in the player ears, no fall off, no specialization, perfect for UI or narrative voiceovers. So first up we know how to get this. So right click and type in get sound 2D and you will get this out like this. Now I've already prepared my example here, and in which when you press 1 it will play the sound of explosion, and beside it, as you can see on the screen, there is a play sound at location. How it is different? The play sound at location will always play the sound at a particular location like we did in the previous tutorial, but the play sound 2D will go around directly into ears without any fall off or anything like that. Let's just compile the code because this is a very simple code and see it in action and better understand how it actually works. So as soon as we press play and whenever I press 1, you can see and clearly hear the sound of that explosion. So that is what it is actually used for, what it is meant for. It is used for menus, UI clicks, narration, background music, or global stringers. If the player should always hear it the same, use 2D. It's super useful, super helpful, and easy to use. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.